want to see how animals eat their food?
They're drinking our
Watch
sippy
closely.
cups.
Moo.
Okay, stuff it in it. Okay. It's a box.
What was this?
How animals eat their food.
Have you seen it before?
I believe that my friend actually showed this to me, like maybe like a week ago or something. My friends, Emily and Isabel, yeah, they showed me this, and I'm just like, ah.
Do you think that this is a good way to act at the dinner table?
Not unless you are a crazed child with problems.
If you acted like this, what would your parents say?
My parents would probably freak. They'd just be like, get out of here. You're like not normal. Get out of this kitchen. You are not part of this family.
Do you think the person that did this was a good role model for kids?
No.
Would you ever act like this?
To be honest, I've actually acted crazier than this video. So, yes, I probably would act like that. Probably.
Did you like this video?
Yes, I loved this video. I thought it was very hilarious. Please make a second one. Please. Thank you.
Hot skip, 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 skips a beat. Wow, Ollie Murs. Ollie Murs, true lad, with some kicks. Yeah.